Welcome to the demo of Net Promoter Score Analysis Dashboard, a powerful tool designed by Perceptive Analytics to help businesses track customer loyalty and uncover drivers of promoter and detractor behavior. This dashboard we created for a client in the infrastructure and real estate industry. The dashboard is designed for company heads to analyze satisfaction patterns and performance drivers. It reveals what's behind client dissatisfaction, from service touchpoints to organizational tiers. Let's first examine the key value provided by the dashboard. Initially, we see Net Promoter Score trends over time, displayed quarterly. The responses are further segmented by scores. Clicking on a specific score allows us to filter the view. Next, we can compare satisfaction scores across different sectors. By clicking a sector, we can analyze service scores assigned to service parameters for different divisions within the sector. This process helps identify any service gaps. To deepen our analysis, we can look at the job function and the personnel responsible for the low scores, which may be negatively affecting customer loyalty. Let's take a moment to explore how we can filter data on the dashboard. Currently, the survey period defines the duration of our analysis, showing a total of 88 responses received. We have the flexibility to adjust the evaluation period using the survey period drop-down menu, allowing us to change the time frame. Additionally, other filters enable us to narrow down the analysis by sector, its governing divisions, and the specific NPS score ranges, facilitating a more focused and targeted analysis. Now that we understand how the dashboard works, let's infer insights from the KPIs. From February to December 2024, NPS clocks in at 20%, supported by a 48% promoter base. Also, construction sector dominates response volume, while interior design sees the least, revealing construction as the key contributor, while interior design lacks substantial representation. Let's dive deeper to analyze further. First, let's examine the quarterly Net Promoter Score trend for 2024. Despite a consistent response volume, we observe decline in sentiment each quarter, reaching a low in quarter 4. This trend indicates weakening sentiment over time. Now let's focus on quarter 4 and analyze the response distribution across various NPS scores. We can confirm that there are 9 promoters and 7 detractors, further suggesting rise in negative sentiment. To delve deeper, we will examine NPS breakdown by sector. From this analysis, it becomes clear that interior design is the weakest performing sector. By clicking on it to get a clear view of the scores, we find that only the categories of cost and ethics have received relatively positive performance ratings compared to the others for the division design. Let's identify who might be accountable for these results by shifting our focus to job function performance. We notice that project designer role has the lowest average rating. Upon investigating the project designer position, we find Benjamin Wright standing out with a performance rating of 1. This warrants a direct conversation to address the concerns and align expectations moving forward. So, with this dashboard, executives can spot declining trends before they escalate, link feedback directly to service quality, pinpoint underperforming teams and roles, and address key pain points to boost satisfaction. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.